my gosh, why does my face look like this?
Alright, everybody, I'm going to make my pasta fagioli. I'm gonna make pasta fagioli. Let's get down. I almost ruined the recipe by not having my tomato salsa, but I found the tomatoes. Okay, I've got my carrot and my carrot and celery. Where's the knife? Where's the damn knife? Okay, everybody, I think this is almost too many carrots. Okay, I've got my pasta. I put it in, and then I do some quinoa. Worry. Son of the beachy, I just discovered the honey is dripping. Hey, bro, you gotta make yourself laugh somehow. The weather sucks. Like, we're all gonna die. What can you do? Alright, I've got my Instapot ready and cooking, and I'm ready. Okay, let's cut the carrot. How many carrot do I need? Alright, let's cut the ugly pieces off of the carrot because it's ugly. Forgive my Italian accent, but this is Italian soupy. I must make a... Okay, rinse and peel, or do you peel and rinse? What does everybody do? I say we peel first and then rinse because... Rinsey peely, I don't know. I was having too much fun with this accent talking about the soup, and then my son's getting irritated with me because I'm being crazy and he doesn't want to eat the pasta. He doesn't want the pasta and the fagioli, but hey, that's what the soup is. It's fagioli with pasta, and I like the pasta. Put all the veggie in it. I show you everybody. Is that baby eating dog food? Okay, it's been a minute since I've recorded something. Okay, we need a cup of oil. We need a cup of oil. Oil? How do they say oil in Italiano? I don't know. Okay, I hope everything comes out a tasty. Tomato we basting is the best flavor. Alright, I hear little Caesar. Let's put some oil. I don't know how to say a little bit. Okay, that's an oil for ya. I need to rinse the carrot. Okay, let's cut. Oh my goodness. Okay, cut. Who cuts actual carrots these days? Oh wait, carrot coming out. I usually do the baby carrot, but this time I'm going to cut the carrot because better. I don't know. Okay, carrot going in. Cut. Cutty again. Cut no finger up. What is happening to the accent? Akataka, get away, baby. It's a bachi over there. Hey, baby. Baby, get away. Disgusting. Why not play with the baby? I'm trying to cook here. Play with the baby. Okay, let's cut the celery. Cut we can saute everything. Go in, adentro. Or maybe the Italianas say adentre. Very similar to the Espanol. Ew, that's a dead dog. Guess we need to rinse this again. This is a very dirty celery. I wash for you. Hey, why is our baby crying? What's happening? Okay, I need a garlic. Stat 460. Okay, we've got the frozen onion because I don't cut real onion. Okay, onion going in. Why is baby crying? What do you need? What do you need? Where's my spoonie? My spoonie. My spoonie. My spoon. What movie show is that? Oh, it's from Dora. My bouncy ball. My bouncy ball. My bouncy ball. Okay. Okay, everything. This is going to be a long short. What is this? I think it's a parsley. Okay, I put the parsley in. When do I brown the meat? I think I need some more. Whatchamacallit? I don't know. Am I done cutting? Open. Alright. I need to cut some garlic. Put in this turkey. Wash my hand. Okay, I need a thyme and a bay leaf. That's what I need. A thyme and a bay leaf. And maybe some salty. Okay, I can open. Okay, I've got the salt, a little bit of salt, or sal, should I say? Mixy, everything going. Okay, mixy on high and put this in here. Okay, brown, baby, brown. Get a cooker more, please. Girl, come on. Girly baby. Okay, I need to finish cooking and you are preventing me from finishing the pasta fagioli. Okay, the meat is looking nice and cooked. It's looking nice and cooked. Would anybody like to see? I need to put in this delicious garlic, or maybe I just throw it in. I'll just throw it in and see what happens. I would like to cut this, but I think the peels will just fall off because you're not working with me. Here, let's see if we can peel garlic with the one hand. That didn't happen. Calvin, get the hell off of that. Alright, get down, please. Here, look, a drawer. Look, a drawer. Open it. Do something. Alright, I throw in my garlics. Tasty. I don't even want to cut anymore. Delicious. Okay, I got this one. It's a little big. Okay, what other flavors am I missing here? Why do I keep smelling it? It's just such a nice smell, you know? Alright, I need a lot of stuff. Water. Okay, my delicious pasta is fogging up. Okay, let's turn that off. Let's put all of the tomato sauce. I put the salsa in the pot.
Put the water in there and wash it out. Okay, a bay leaf. You go in. And then I fill the tomato container with more water. Fill it up. I'm going to put the pasta in after, but I cook for 10 minutes first. And then let's put some quinoa in it for extra protein, nutrient, or whatever the hell, whatever quinoa does for you. Isa extra fibre. Okay, let's cook, and then we put pasta in after. I cook for the 10 minutes first, and then we'll put in pasta. Everybody, here's my soup. I just need the parmesan. But I don't have a parmesan, so adios. Adios.